What up, guys? CP the Tool Addict. Woo! Me and Sonny here, come bringing you a seasonal savings banger Mac Tools video. You're going to want to check this out. Stick around on this because we've got a lot of cool products in here. Plus, we got some wrenches on the special here. Everybody's been asking for them, and they actually came out with them midsummer, which is pretty freaking cool. So let's get into the video because you're going to enjoy this one. Come on, let's check it out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so on front, we have the 8-piece Knipex pliers bundle set, water pump pliers set, Cobras, and they're awesome pliers, and this is what I would say marginally a decent price for the tool truck. However, I will leave a link for the Amazon affiliate link if you are interested, because you can buy these for $385.74 for the 8-piece set right here, which is a nice deal, and this gets you all your Knipexes all the way down from the minis to the bigs for $385. So you save a couple $100 if you buy them directly from Amazon and you pay up front. Or you can support your Mac dealer. Once again, I choose I don't care what you choose. That's your choice. And I don't really care. You know, that's, you know, capitalism in America. It's how people make money, is they sell things and they make profits, okay? So that's just the deal. Is it small business is going to be a little bit more. So you can support your Mac dealer and choose not to. He comes to see you every week, however that works. But back to the mission at hand. Yes, we have the 1/4-inch mini drive air ratchet, $199.99. This is the AR249. I've bragged about this to you guys. If you are going look for an air tool or you want a sealed head ratchet, I promise you, you will not regret this purchase ever, and you will enjoy it. It is a fantastic ratchet. It only has about 40 foot-pounds, I believe, but it's super quick. I think it's 300 RPMs. It's an awesome, awesome ratchet. You won't go wrong. 1/4 through-horse premium die grinder pack, 2-pack, $229.99. Another fantastic tool. Those are rebranded by Astro. I will leave a link in the description for those as well, so you can save yourself a little bit of money. And we have the 27-piece RBRT short hex. Shout out to Havasu Tech, Sergio Havasio's Tech. I probably messed that up. Shout out to him. All hail RBRT! He's the one that coined that phrase, by the way. It wasn't me. It was him. So, and it's been sticking. So, $299 and $219.99 for the extractor, 7-piece extractor removals, which work about 50% of the time, every time. Like I always say, RBRTs, they work 50% of the time, every time. Because if they don't work, they break. And I mean the bolt or the tool, one of the two. Quarter drive impact bit side wrenches, $78.99, which is also a fantastic tool. We have the bolt removal kits. These are new. I have not got my hands on these. $139.99 for the 7/16-14. I have heard a couple people that said they absolutely love these. So $169.99 half-inch burr removal. I believe these are rebranded by Mayhew, possibly. I can't remember. I looked into this one time. So, and then we have the tire router kit, which are very awesome. Lifetime warranty, $189.99. They're the reamers, so that way you can put these in your drills and then ream out a tire if you do a tire plug repair, which a lot of people do plug patches and still use reamers, because plug patches, we all know, are the proper way to repair a tire. Moving right along, we have some DeWalt stuff. Atomic 20-volt max brushless 1 3/4 bandsaw kit, $299.99. Believe you me, my dog is looking at me right now because she's like, we are supposed to be outside playing. And I know I got home late and she's got her sad eyes on. I wish you guys could see this because it's not a joke. Moving right along here, we have the reciprocating saw, 20-volt max, $189.99. And the DeWalt Power Stack compact battery kit, $109.99 with the charger. Then we have the 5-amp-hour Power Stack along with the 2-amp-hour, $239.99. And the 20-volt max brushless 1/4-inch drive impact driver, which is a little Haas, $109.99. Banger of a deal. Here we go, folks. Here we go. The moment I've all been waiting for to show you the wrench set bundles that we have in the flyer today. $359.98. Boom shakalaka. What do we got here, CP? We have the 5-piece combination wrench set for the metric or the standard. In the big sizes, a lot of people don't have these. Some of them do. You bought them in the smaller sites. For 1/4 or inch to 1 1/4 and 20 millimeter to 24 millimeter. in the green or orange bundle here. Your choice. Oh, you buy them as a bundle, excuse me. Your choice of color in the bundle for SAE and metric. And then down here we have the 8-piece SAE locking flex head ratcheting wrench set, $229.99, as well as the 8-piece SAE flexible ratcheting wrench set, $12.183.99. Then we move down to the 6-piece long, high-performance, long double box-in wrench set, $249.99. These are the ones I use every day. These are one of my favorites. Then we have the half-moon wrenches that are new, semi-new to Mac Tools, $124.99. And that's your standard sizes from 3/8 all the way to 15/16, and the metric from 10 to 19 millimeter, $119.99. Half moons are great to have, obviously, for those deals. I've used them on injectors, injector lines on some Cumminses, I know, and I believe a Ford one time, and they definitely save your butt. They're one of those tools that it's best to have and not need it than need and not have. Moving right along, we have a utility cart sale here. We got a 6-drawer, 41H, USA-made utility cart, full lid. No price on that, but I do believe it's around $2K. You have to ask your distributor for verification on that. We have a multi-use tool bag, and we have a 210 engine hoist for $1199.99. Then we have some lights in here. We got a light here, $204.99 for the Pro Eye 1500 lumen rechargeable corded cob area light. So you can use a cord or rechargeable. 1000 lumen rechargeable area light, $149.99. We have the balancer, harmonic balancer remover installer. No, it's a Ford EcoBoost long reach balancer installer, excuse me. And then, which is also a nice tool to have, $59.99, especially if you guys know you work on EcoBoost, you're constantly doing some sort of timing issues or whatnot. But, yeah, oil pump, oil, or your cam chain timing issues of some sort. $39.99 for the 2-piece wide tip hose set. Love these things. And then I have both sets of these, and I actually love these. They are Lisle rebranded, but I don't know. I like the handles on the Mac one, so just call it a personal preference. But they're really not much different than them. They're the same tips as the Lisle. In fact, Lisle does them for Snap-on and all over. They just change the handle, so it's all about preference of your handle. $69.99 for the long piece wide tip. Little tech tip, the big hooked curved one. Makes a really nice back scratcher. But it also comes in handy for pulling the clips around. If they're disoriented or they're oriented in the wrong way, yeah, it's a handy tool. Pull on some wire looms. Definitely a nice little grabber tool, too. Rear view mirror installer pliers, and I believe these are for the new Fords. $29.99. This is also, I believe, a Lisle rebrand. Rear view mirror loaded installer. Paint gun holder, $24.99. We have a low pressure tire gauge, $9.99. We have a ratcheting PVC tube cutter, $59.99. Moving right along, we have a Deadbow soft face hammer, which is a compo cast, $49.99. Then we have a 3-piece anti-vibe ball peen hammer set, $154.99. $99.99. I highly recommend not buying this punch set. I do not like this punch set. I've had this punch set, and it sucks. Maybe somebody likes it and they can tell me different in the comment section. That's fine. I personally did not like that set. 9-piece master trailer harness cleaner set, which is an IPA rebrand, $114.99, and the IPA rebranded multi-trailer tester pack. I actually bought these from Mac in a bundle. They had a great bundle deal. They came out with these, $139.99. Fuse block, cleaner, and puller. These are from Lisle. These are awesome, $19.99. Can't beat them. They're awesome for cleaning your fuses, Mini Maxxis fuses, or the Mini and ATC fuses. Magnetic Bluetooth speaker, what's that, 80 bucks, and a pop-up tent for $400. And then we have a 3-in-1 drink cooler. Shifty's Garage block set for $44.99. Little kid stuff, $26.99 for the cup. Then, last but not least, new impact sockets from DeWalt. Now, I don't know. I have not looked up any of these sets, but I do not know that I've seen the DeWalt sets in impact in foam. So this must be exclusive to Mac or possibly coming out. If you guys have seen this, I haven't been paying attention, but $279.99 for a 42-piece 3/8 drive master set, basically, of your shallows, deeps, and SAE and metric, or the 1/4-inch drive set, which is $239.99. It's not a terrible deal. I don't know the quality of the sockets, so I'm not sure, but I do know people that use DeWalt stuff, DeWalt sockets and stuff like that. Seems like it'd be pretty decent stuff, especially if you're just looking for some stuff to take home. The tool truck has always been a place for some guys to buy tools for the shop and then tools for home. $239.99 seems like a pretty decent set, or pretty decent price for a nice little kit like that that's going to be foam. You just take it home, throw them in your box. You know, $239.99. 1/4-inch drive set is definitely. I love 1/4-inch drive impacts. I don't know that they're necessarily necessary, but on all these little impacts now, I feel a little bit nicer instead of using my chrome sockets. And I just enjoy it a lot better. So anyways, guys, that's the video. Short, sweet, and awesome. From Mac Tools. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.